Hi, I'm Karen Sperling, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn this photo into this painting in Corel Painter. The video features step-by-step lessons for turning a photo into a painting. You'll see how to paint with Painter, brushstroke by brushstroke. You'll also see tips for using Painter's toolset, including tracing paper and cloning, all for $9.99. My videos get rave reviews like these. So head over to my artistrymag.com website and order the new Artistry Quick Fix video today. Happy painting!